So, assuming you didn't read the title, this is an example of what DNA looks like. This is actually strawberry DNA. And what's cool about this is actually a pretty interesting procedure, and it requires fairly few materials. All you really need to do for the procedure is basically just take a bunch of strawberries and mash them up and then mix them, or at least put them into a solution of water, soap, or dish soap, and salt. And then just mix that up. Then you would filter out all the leftover solid bits that could be, like, for example, the leftover remains of the strawberries, and then you would add isopropyl alcohol to that strained solution, and after taking out the DNA you could put it into a test tube like this, and then you'd be left with something that looks like this. um, but yeah, this is really just what strawberry DNA looks like. It's kind of got, like, I guess, like a sort of goopy consistency, but yeah, I mean, that's overall an interesting procedure that you could try out yourself. You might want to focus on the specific amounts of water and soap and salt you plan to use, and you would mix those all up in a plastic bag, then filter them out with, like, a coffee filter. But this is a pretty interesting procedure that you could do, and if you're into biological sciences, for example, this would definitely be a fun activity to try out.